I don't know what exactly this place can be called like. Is it a forest or just a simple place with lots of mga damo in Tagalog? I don't know what's damo in the English term. So right now I am on my way to fetching some water. So actually, you know, we don't have that near water source in our place. That's why we have to travel this kind of environment before we could feature some water. So I am now here at the faucet. So there are two faucet here in this place. This has lots of water, but the main source is there, and I'm going to go there because I have to, fetch some water there. And it's a little bit eerie because I hear some strange noises everywhere from the woods. I don't know if we can call this place as woods, but maybe, yeah. So let's start. So I'm struggling on because I am holding the camera and it's really hard for me to fetch some water. So I just have to do this. So actually, I usually bring I usually brought 3 to 5 gallons with me, but unfortunately, since I already planned on documenting everything, the, I only brought 2 gallons with me. But yeah, but usually I go here with 3 or more gallons, perhaps, especially during summer when we don't have much water. I'm really struggling. So this is our water source. It's called Tangki. Yeah, it's called Tangki. So it's a little bit creepy, and yes, the water came from that tree. There are strange noises, but good thing I wasn't scared or something. I was just okay. Let's do this. Okay, the gallons are all full. So we also have this one. Yes, this is the place. So as you can see, there are lots of trees being knocked down. It's because of the typhoon Tino, if I'm Typhoon Tino that had hit our place. It's really sad and tragic to hear because we had been hit by 3 powerful typhoons. First one is the Typhoon Haiyan or the Bagyong Yolanda, then the Typhoon Odette, then this recently Typhoon Tino. It's really breaking to see. Oh, there is the moon. So I guess that would be the end of this video because I will be struggling on holding the camera while I am I am going to carry these 2 gallons with me. So this would be the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you.